Infinity SAV USA. The problem is CO2 from transportation and electricity is causing climate change, and electricity is too expensive. The solution is to create a generator powered solely by permanent magnets. We've done the impossible. We have a working prototype. We plan to go to market with the MG10, a 10 kilowatt generator. We have a US patent that protects our technology. We will go to market with this model, and then we will use modern engineering to increase the size of the generator to 20 kilowatts to last 20 years. The goal is to stop climate change, eliminate pollution, and create wealth, including for the poorest among us. History of Infinity SAV's invention. All inventions start out as an idea. The idea was that you could use permanent magnets to produce electricity. The first step in this process was a tabletop demonstration demonstrating the Lorentz force. When a permanent magnet approaches a coil of copper wire, it induces a like polarity. North induces north, and north repels north, and that's the motive force to spin the rotor. When the magnet approaches, it induces an electrical charge in the coils, and you can see the little LED lights flash on the left-hand side. The next step in the development is this small generator that powers 5 lights. It has 55 coils of copper wire on the stator on the outside and 55 permanent magnets in the rotor inside. Now listen for the sound of the rotor spinning.
Closer. Let's see. See? Okay. Starting. Running. And the lamps. Let's go.
Now a look at our current prototype. Prototype's made of 2 parts, an electric motor and the magnetic generator. Electric motor is used to run the generator up to speed, and then it's disconnected from the floor power, and with the magnetic generator running only, it'll power lights, a fan, and an electric heater. There are 250 coils of copper wire in the rotor inside and 250 neodymium magnets on the stator on the outside. Using our working prototype, we have designed the MG10, a 10 kilowatt generator. We will go to market with this generator. Magnets are caused by the quantum mechanical spin of unpaired electrons. We believe magnets are transferring energy from the quantum field to the physical field to mechanical spin to electricity. This transfer of energy from the quantum field to the physical field happens all the time and in many ways. It's just not well recognized. When sunlight strikes a solar cell, it creates electricity by transferring energy from quantum field of electromagnetism to the physical field of electricity. When the Earth's gravitational force bends the course of a meteorite, it's converting quantum energy, gravity, into physical energy of the falling meteorite. When a radioactive particle strikes a piece of X-ray film, it does work and it transfers energy from the quantum field to the physical field. All these examples do work and transfer energy from the quantum field to the physical field. Magnets last hundreds of years. They don't wear down like batteries. We plan to go to market with this 10 kilowatt generator. We will then use modern computer engineering finite element analysis to increase the size of the generator from 10 kilowatts to 20 kilowatts and to last 20 years. Our goal is to design a 20 kilowatt generator that will cost $7,000 installed and pay itself back in 5 years. We've got the perfect sales pitch. Save the environment, save money, no money down, no risk. Just pay your current electrical bill until the generator is paid off, and then only 2 cents a kilowatt hour forever, including maintenance. The market for the home energy replacement generator is 100 million units. Our marketing effort will involve PR and public demonstrations around the country, and energizing eco warriors and environmental organizations to get the word out to the group. The manufacturers will have their own sales and distribution effort. We hope to create a distributed utility that will supply power directly to homes and businesses. Our business model is pretty simple. Charge manufacturers a 5% royalty on sales, charge end users a royalty of 2 cents per kilowatt hour. With this model, 1% penetration will create $186 million in net income, and 52% of that will be reoccurring. We have 3 phases. Go to market with a 10 kilowatt generator. Second phase, design the 20 kilowatt generator. And third phase, license the 20 kilowatt generator to manufacturers. The budget for phase 1 is $1 million. So who are these guys? Andre is an engineer and inventor trained at Moscow Technical University. He has 20 inventions and 10 patents. I'm a serial entrepreneur with 7 patents and an MBA from the University of Washington. The reward is doing good, stopping climate change, and creating great social and financial wealth. We're offering $1 million in convertible debt. We previously put in $1.5 million of our own money. I'm sorry if my presentation was a little flat. I'm so excited about this, I wanted to be as factual as possible. Imagine a technology which is scalable, can be used in every industry, every wheel, every light bulb, every motor. A complete revolution in technology. Imagine a power source that'll make it cheaper to recycle than to produce new, cheaper to desalinate salt water than to dam our rivers, and so cheap it'll replace oil for energy. I ask you to join us. I'm Gary Tripp, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.